In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block fake orders on Shopify with a full 2024 guide. Running an online store can be incredibly rewarding, but it also comes with its share of challenges, like dealing with fraudulent orders. Fortunately, Shopify offers tools and apps that help tackle this issue effectively, ensuring your store operates smoothly and securely. To begin, we'll need to leverage the capabilities of an app designed specifically for fraud prevention. First, navigate to your Shopify admin panel, where you'll see a tab labeled Apps. Click on this tab to open your app dashboard. In this space, you have access to numerous applications tailored to enhance your store's security and functionality. Our primary focus here is finding an app that will help control fraudulent activities, specifically those related to fake orders. In the search bar, type in Fraud Control, or look for an app with a similar purpose. As you begin typing, Shopify will suggest various applications, so feel free to explore the options presented to you. While there are several apps available, look for ones that have strong customer reviews and a proven track record of effectiveness. When you've identified an app that fits these criteria, click on it to learn more about its features, pricing, and user feedback. After selecting the app you wish to install, you'll notice a Clear Install button. Go ahead and click on that. The installation process is straightforward, but you'll need to confirm the installation before proceeding. This ensures that you're aware of any permissions the app will access and understand how it integrates with your Shopify store. Confirm by clicking Install again. As these apps are integrated into your Shopify setup, they will begin monitoring orders and identifying potential fraud, giving you the added protection and peace of mind you need as a business owner. Make sure to customize the app settings to align with your business needs. This includes setting thresholds for fraud alerts, customizing email notifications, and reviewing suspicious orders. Many of these apps will also allow you to block orders from specific regions or IP addresses, which can be particularly useful if you've identified patterns in fraudulent activity. It's worth mentioning that while these tools do an excellent job of reducing fraud, they should be part of a broader strategy that includes regular reviews of orders and customer details. Maintain an awareness of common red flags, like mismatched shipping and billing addresses or unusually large orders, as these can sometimes slip through the nets of automated systems. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to block fake orders on Shopify using app features designed to secure your transactions. By implementing these tools, you're safeguarding your business and creating a more reliable shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips on operating your Shopify store effectively.